Hey guys, good morning. So I'm up today on time and I cooked myself my breakfast, which you cannot see. Let me flip the screen for you guys. This is my breakfast for today, and yes, you guys must be wondering what is this. Yeah, that's what I said when I checked my pantry today, and I was like, whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's end of the bread, but I still have to work with it because I don't have any bread left today and I don't have any milk or cereal as well, so I have to go to the market or order something from online. And I'm also eating a banana and an omelette. Yeah, looks good to me. I just finished eating my breakfast and now I'm gonna apply some baby oil all over my hair, and I'm also gonna do a face mask, which is this one from MINISO. It's strawberry flavor clay mask and it's pretty good, guys. I got this one when I was in Nepal. I just finished applying my face mask and my hair mask, which is baby oil. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my face mask for 10 or 15 minutes and my hair mask for an hour. I look like a zombie, but it's alright. It's gonna make my skin look better. Yeah, girl, gonna look better afterwards. So right now it's 8:30 I believe, and I have uploaded my new vlog, another one, guys. Your girl is killing the vlog game. Give me a thumbs up for that, guys. I deserve a thumbs up for this one. Update, guys, I would like to give a small review for this body butter which I got from Poundland. I really like this butter. I use this only for my legs and foot, because most of the time your legs and feet are dry, super dry. Mine are like extremely dry, so this one works very well for my leg and foot. Definitely recommend this. So right now I'm doing some grocery shopping from asta.com and I've got some eggs, chicken wings, pork belly, you name it, everything, bread as well, everything, guys. It's gonna be a big grocery shopping because I have nothing in my pantry, guys. Update, guys, I just washed my hair and my face mask as well, and it feels so good, guys. I just love clay mask, especially from MINISO. It's Asian brand, but I don't know if it's here in the UK, but you can definitely get in any online shops, I believe. Clay mask, just give it a try. Why I'm looking so bright, guys? Yeah, much better now. So I feel so fresh, and I like to apply baby oil mask all over my hair because it's very light and it's easier to wash. I have tried other oils as well, and to be honest, I didn't like any. And baby oil makes your hair silky, soft, and that's what I like. So it's a self-pamper day today, and I'm also gonna film what I got from Nepal. I don't know if I should film a separate video for that or make a vlog kind of video. I will see. So see you in a bit. I finished doing my makeup and I really wanted to look extra cute for you guys today. So yes, this is my makeup for today, and I'm going to blow dry my hair now and film what I got from Nepal video. So I just finished filming my haul video, guys, and it was so much fun, and I just went back to Nepal while filming the video. So I decided to make a separate video for what I got in Nepal. Make sure to check that out and give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed my Nepal haul video. And I'm going to make a part 2 as well, because some of the stuffs are all over the places in my house, so I have to collect it and then film a haul again for you guys. Stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna film a separate video for that. I'm gonna include that on my vlog so that you can see it. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So this is the mess after filming a haul video. I just hate to, you know, put everything back into the places, but you gotta do what you gotta do. This is my old camera which I use for making videos and stuff. It's bright right now so you cannot see so well. There you go. This is my camera, which is Canon T3i. It's really good for making SD quality videos and I just love it. I also have this light setting. So that's about it, guys. I'm gonna clean up the mess. I got a package. I was expecting this. I'm so excited to open it. By the way, why I'm looking so shiny, I don't know, but let's open the package together. Yay, it's my phone case. Oh, it's so pretty. It's in pink color. Let me remove the plastic. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? It also comes with a strap, which is also in pink color. Yay. Oh, it's so cute. It's a long shoulder strap. So you have to remove this bit while vlogging and this one stays on. This one is basically to protect it from scratching and stuff, because I keep my phone inside my backpack and it's not good to put it together with everything. So I thought it would be a good idea to get a case, and while vlogging I can just remove it and vlog. So yay, how cute is this? So guys, that's all for today. I had a lot of fun filming the haul video for you guys and this vlog as well. I just love making videos, and yeah, it was so much fun. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow as well, so stay tuned for that. And right now I've got some mangoes which I chopped up last night and I'm gonna eat this. It was so delicious and juicy. I love mangoes. So that's it, guys. Bye for today. Please like and subscribe.